Hi everyone, so today we're making this. It's a rainbow made out of paper, cardstock stuff, and then staples to hold it together. I think it looks kind of pretty and cool. So you need paper in the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You could like put pink in it, or you could put two colors purple, but it's just this 6 colors I'm using. Yeah, because I just figured I didn't want to use too many and make it too big and crazy. So these are what I'm using. The red, the orange, the yellow, the green, and the purple are all actually cardstock. The blue is paper, but you could try it with paper. It might work. I think the cardstock, most cards, if you put cardstock at least for like the top and the bottom, it should make it a little stiffer and will hold the shape better. But go ahead and try paper if you want. And then you need staples and scissors. I have my 6 other strips pre-cut to this length like this. And then I have the little bits I cut off the other ones to make the strips shorter. So now take the orange strip from this one, because the red one you leave full length, so we're done with that one. You can make them however thick you want, it's just thick and thick. So now I'm going to take my orange strip here, and obviously you can tell my strips didn't quite end up the same width, but And then you just cut this little bit off the end of the orange one. That odd noise you heard was my stapler opening itself up. So then I cut the orange piece off. So now the orange is done. Take my little bit of yellow. It's bigger because this with yellow is shorter. Match it up with the end of the yellow. And you can just, and the way you can do it is you can line all your ends up, staple them together, and then adjust them so that the ends line up at different lengths, and figure how long you want each piece to be, and then cut it all off, and then match the ends back up and staple it. I just already did it once, so I'm ready to have it all figured out. So I'm showing you roughly how much I cut off. I cut off about that much of the orange and about that much of the yellow, and I kind of just kept adding. Like I said, this is pretty much double of that, and I just added this 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, or however many times. So you can figure out how much you want to cut off of each strip. Because it's totally up to you. Different lengths will make different shaped rainbows. This is just the length I'm using. So I cut the chunk off the yellow. I'm just setting them over here so they're out of the way. And I'm going to cut the chunk off the green, which if you look at the green compared to the yellow, which they go this direction, I think. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's this. This is the... Which direction did this go? Huh? My direction of this green one is confusing me now. So this one goes this way. Yeah, that one matches. So yeah, it goes this way. So that's the difference between the green and yellow. I had to figure out which directions one went because it confused me for a little bit. Then you just cut this one off. And then this one's done. Each of them should just get slightly shorter as you go. So however much you cut the first one, you should then double it and then triple it and stuff like that, pretty much, to make them fairly even and nice looking, in my opinion. So I cut the blue off. Now I'm going to cut purple off. Purple, or whatever the last color is, should have the most cut off, whereas the first color you cut should have the least cut off, whereas the actual first color has none cut off, so it has to have the least. And then once you cut all those off, or if you do it the other way, you can skip to now, and you can just get all your colors in order. So I have red, orange, yellow, get them somewhat lined up, green, blue, and purple. And get them fairly well lined up, or at least as lined up as you can get them. And then, so if you already don't have them all cut different lengths, just get the colors in order. Staple one end. Don't want to staple too high up, but you want to staple too far down either. I stapled about that far down, which is pretty much the same as I did on my first one. And so now, if you didn't have them all pre-cut like I do, they look a little jumbled up, but they'll look fine. you want to now figure out how much you want it to be. Like you want that much, and you'll have a little bit of extra orange, and you want to line them all up so that they get the shape that you want. But I'm going to do that, and I have to cut it out because I have to cut the bits off so that you get the shape, which is identical to the other one pretty much because I cut the same amount off. And then when you get that cut out, cut off all the extra. If you let go, it's fine. You just line it all back up again. With my blue and my yellow, purple are trying to get away from the rest of them. Gotta get them lined up as good as you can get them. The better, and the more time you spend on this, the better it'll end up looking. And then once you get it all lined up, you cut off your extra if you didn't cut it off ahead of time, which is fine. You just take your stapler, staple through all of it. Bada bing, bada boom, done. And so as you can see, if you cut the cut them shorter, or cut it more off, it would end up more curled like this and less wider like this. But this is how I like it to look. I like how you tilt it like that. You can see the colors more. I think it's interesting. So yeah, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how many colors you did and what colors you did. If you did different than me, if you did the same as me, just let me know. And let me know if you do try it with just paper and not cardstock. Let me know if it seems like it stays, because this one's pretty stiff and nice. If you try this paper, let me know. And subscribe. Bye.